Hi guys, so today I'm just gonna do a quick video telling you guys on how to use CrownedA's hair growth product. So let's get right into it just now. So CrownedA hair growth products, they come in this packaging, this cute packaging. So CrownedA has 4 products, which is CrownedA hair growth oil, CrownedA hair growth spritzer, and CrownedA whipped shea butter, and also CrownedA raw shea butter. So I'll just start off explaining the LOC method and the LCO method. So to people that do not know this, or they're always saying LOC, LCO, and they have no idea what is that. So basically, LOC method is a method of introducing moisture in our hair and applying oils that helps in sealing the hair, and also applying the butter, which is very thick and is good at sealing our hair as well. So there are different types of hair porosities. There's low porosity, there's the middle one, the hair that is middle porosity, and then there's hair that is high porosity. So the hair that is high porosity, it means that the hair has larger pores. That it means that it's easy for water to get into your hair gets damp really fast. And then someone who has the medium porosity, it means that their hair is in a bit of a middle. It works with products that are for high porosity, it works with products that are for low porosity. And then for someone that has very low porosity, it means that their hair pores, they are very little. When they're spraying with just water, you see that the water, it just stays on top of your hair, or it just run down on your hair, but when you're feeling your hair, it's not moisturized. So the LOC method is good for people who have high porosity, the LOC method. Whereas when you put it in LCO, that is, you start with liquid, you come with cream, and then you come with your oil, then you are someone who has very low porosity. And then for someone who is in the middle, their hair, their pores are not that big, they are not that small, they are just the average, and then that person can use the LOC method as well. So if you're wondering how does the LOC method go, how do you go about applying and all of those stuff, then I'm gonna be telling you today on how you're gonna do that. So the first thing that you do, you introduce moisture to your hair. So CrownedA's hair growth spritzer is great for that. So you start by applying the spray in your overall hair. You don't just apply the spray on your scalp. You apply the spray on your scalp, and then you rub it in, and then you apply the spray on your overall hair and also on your ends as well, because the ends, they are your old hair. They need to be moisturized, they need to be loved, they need to be kept moisturized at all time, because they're the one that they dry out and you end up having those split ends. So for you to prevent the split ends and also to retain the length of your hair, you must make sure you're taking care of your overall hair, that is from your scalp to the ends of your hair. And also don't forget to spray your edges as well, and then just rub it in, massage it in circles on your scalp, and also massage the spray in on your edges as well. And then the second product that you come in with, once your hair is moisturized, you come in with your oil, which is CrownedA's hair growth oil. What you do with the oil is the same as what you do with the spray. You apply the oil in your scalp. So this oil, it has an opening here. So for people who have bought it and they are just opening it here, then they're doing it wrong. So the oil has an opening here, so that it is easy for you to just apply the oil like so in your hair, or you can just pour it on your hands and rub it in, and then you rub it on your scalp. you rub it on your overall hair. You apply a lots and lots and lots of oil in your ends as well, and then you rub it in your edges as well. Then once you are done with applying your oil, then you come in with your CrownedA's whipped shea butter. This whipped shea butter has added oils. It is creamy, it is easily spreadable. This is how it looks like. It's smooth. So what you do is now you apply the whipped shea butter. The whipped shea butter, you must apply it in section. You open your hair here. You can open your hair like so. Once you've applied your spray, once you've applied your oil, then you open your hair in sections, and then you apply. You take in the shea butter and then you smoothen it in your hair, because it is great. Because the whipped shea butter is great for sealing your hair. So you seal in your hair. Just make sure that you put you are very generous. You put some shea butter generously so on your hair, and then you twist your hair. When you are twisting your hair, if the shea butter, when you have applied it, it does not show on your hair is still looking like there's nothing into it, do not apply anything to it. And then when you are starting to twist it, and there's butter that is coming out and is white, it means that your hair is either high porosity or it's the middle one. I forgot the name for the middle one, but I'll just say the middle here, the high porosity, the one in the middle. And then if it's low porosity, then when you have applied the spray and then you apply your oil, and then when you apply the butter, it just sits in your hair. It means that your hair is low porosity, meaning that you must do the LCO method. That is, you start with your spray, you come with your cream, that is the butter, and then you seal in your hair with your oil. And then that is how you do the LOC method. And I would advise that actually it is best that you do the LOC method once you have washed your hair, so that your hair is not clogged with other products, or it has product built up, because then now it won't do the actual job. Because we want the spray to get into your hair in open pores. It gets into your hair and the oils and your butter. So I hope that this video was very informative for you guys, and definitely hoping that we all don't have any natural hair struggles after this video.